Grab 2 cups of tender cooked chicken, chopped into inviting bite-sized pieces. Rotisserie chicken works wonders here, offering a delectable shortcut to Flavor Town. Now take a moment to slice up some mushrooms and dice a green bell pepper. Over medium heat, sauté those mushrooms and green bell peppers until they're as soft and the mushrooms have surrendered their moisture, usually about 5 to 7 minutes. Now it's time to bring everything together. To your skillet, add the chopped chicken, a can of cream of chicken soup, half a cup of milk, and a jar of drained, diced pimentos. Stir them all together until mixed well. Once that's done, it's time to let them simmer. Turn the heat down low and let the mixture bubble away gently for about 10 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then and watch as the sauce thickens slightly. Don't forget to season with a little salt and pepper to taste. This recipe serves 4, making it perfect for a family meal or a cozy dinner with friends. If you're serving it as part of a larger spread, it can stretch to accommodate even more. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.